DenMart launches a new series of high-speed Tornado handpieces. With a speed of 4 lakh RPM, these handpieces are extremely efficient in cutting and drilling through the tooth. The handpieces are available in different shapes. Tornado Mini Head provides greater access to treatment area. Tornado Standard Head is ideal for any dental treatment. They have high torque application, which is ideal for long treatment hours without any stress. Tornado Super Torque, Tornado Super Torque Push Button and Tornado Fiber Optic handpieces are the all wide range of Tornado handpieces. Optic handpieces are now providing uninterrupted visibility during long treatment hours. These lightweight Tornado handpieces are available at conveniently economical range.